Oh my god, the dish you made look amazing. What's it called? I'm not sure. Hi everyone, this is Tracy, and I'm originally from Sichuan province, yes, the spicy province, and currently I'm living in Toronto, Canada. As a student, I cook most of the time, and me and my roommate always go grocery shopping once a week. And we get like veggies, meat, breads, yogurt, fruits, and all that. We cook based on what we have on hand instead of going for like a recipe kind of thing. And we're not measuring the exact weight of each ingredient. So I started off this way because it's just the most convenient thing to do. And later I fell in love with this kind of freestyle cooking because it makes me feel free. Because I allow myself to play around with the spices, with different cooking techniques and different ingredients. This means that my dishes are fusion products that actually don't identify with, like, say, a Chinese cuisine. It's combining different practices across different cultures. And here we go back to the very question of food authenticity. So we always see advertisements of the restaurant saying that they sell, say, like authentic Spanish food, but what does it mean? And how do we define it? If we say, okay, it's authentic because it's made in that way, how about the ingredients? And if you say like ingredients are just like unique to the local area where it was produced, you will actually see that behind all these spices, there are global trades that were going on forever at a newly opened Sicilian restaurant here in Toronto. I get this pasta with a Sicilian secret spice, and it turned out so similar to the Chinese braised pork. And I asked the chef like what goes into the secret spice, and the chef was just talking about all these spices that I'm very familiar with because it's the same thing that you're gonna use for the Chinese braised pork. And it was just amazing to think Italy and China actually have something so similar to each other. We can chat more about food studies next year because I'm going to take this history of food and drinks at University of Toronto. So yeah, that's pretty much it from today. And I wish you enjoy this whole food vlog.